Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making a Jamaican, Caribbean or West Indian brown chicken stew. Absolutely wonderful, quite spicy, takes a little time, but really worth it. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's get started on this. I've got there 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of chicken, different parts, legs, wings, breast, or whatever you want, all cut up there. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to season this. So let's get in some salt, like a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of dried thyme. We're also going to be using some fresh thyme, teaspoon of celery salt, I love that in there, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And to that, some black pepper, maybe 2 teaspoons there, I think. Simply, I'm going to use my hands for this. We're just going to rub this in, get over to the cooker and fry this off. Then we're going to make a really beautiful sauce for it to make this really lovely brown stew. And by the way, all of the list of the ingredients that we're going to need are down below in the text. Let's get to the cooker. So here we are at the cooker. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using canola or corn oil, something kind of neutral. I've got like a couple of centimeters in there. We're heating that up. Now we're going to drop our chicken in, but before I drop the chicken in, what you can do, or you should be doing, but I don't have time today, is leaving this chicken for at least an hour, or overnight would be fantastic. Anyway, we've seasoned it. We're going to drop it in and we're going to fry it for about 8 minutes, like 4 minutes aside or so, like that. Don't have the heat too high because you're just going to burn the life out of it on the outside. And we'll be flipping that around every minute or so. See you then. Okay, so off goes the heat. What we're going to do now is we're going to take our chicken out, set it to one side, and then we're going to reduce this oil by 50% or maybe more. And then we're going to take a look at the other ingredients that we need to make this wonderful brown stew. Okay, so our chicken's done. There she blows. Let's take a look at the other ingredients. I've got here 1 large onion cut fairly small. I've got bell peppers here. As you can see, I'm using green and red, but you can be using any colors you want. Maybe 2 cups worth there, cut nice and small again. Some fresh thyme we'll be adding. If you don't have that, you can just add a bit more dried thyme, salt and pepper. And then here, ketchup. I've got 1 cup of ketchup to maybe half a cup or 1/4 cup of hot pepper sauce. I'm using an Encona hot pepper sauce. It is really quite spicy, so be careful with it. And additionally to that, we're going to be adding this, a Scotch bonnet or a habanero. And then here I've got 1 tablespoon, or a heaped tablespoon actually, of garlic. Let's get back to the cooker and get this on the go. So as you can see, we're back at the cooker. I've reduced that oil by maybe 70% actually, but there's some lovely herbs, spices and bits of chicken in there. Don't waste that, full of flavour. Let's start off by dropping in our onion. And we're on a fairly lively heat now, and we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, these are coming up really nicely. So at this point we're going to add in our garlic, our salt and pepper, and I'm going to now add in that hot pepper. And what I've done is I've just cut it open and put it in whole. You don't want to chop it because, like I say, that is absolute fire, and we can fish that out later. You don't really want to be eating that unless you're a hardened criminal. Okay, to that we're now going to add bell peppers. Like I say, using these colours, but yellow, orange if you want can go in there. Now if you wanted, you can get some allspice or pimento in here. Maybe a teaspoon of that would be really nice. I'm keeping it out of here today. but some people would definitely be putting that in. Okay, we'll let this go for about another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often. Like I say, we're on a fairly lively heat here. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, time for our ketchup. In that goes. Now, like I say, you might want to go 2 to 1 with the ketchup to the hot pepper sauce, or maybe even 3 to 1, because like I say again, this is very hot. Fantastic. Okay, now hot water, really hot water, boiling water. In that goes. And again, staying on this fairly high heat, let's go for about another 4-5 minutes, stirring often. And that is looking great. Okay, time for some fresh thyme. And if you don't have fresh thyme, you can drop a little bit of dried in there. Fresh, obviously, much better. We're then getting our chicken here, and we're going to reintroduce the chicken. Turning the heat down to a medium now. We'll let that go now for about another 5 minutes on a medium heat. And we're pretty much done, that's it. This is looking fantastic. Now there's just one more ingredient that I haven't shown you yet. And that is, we're going to add some brown sugar. We're going to get that in there. Now some people would use browning, which is like a sauce that you can buy, which will create a deeper colour. But we've got that sugar in there. There's like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to cook this out now for about another 5 minutes. And then we're done. Okay, off goes the heat. And that sugar's helped it just darken a little bit. Like I say, the browning sauce, just buy it in a bottle if you can get it. I think it's made of cane sugar. That will actually make it much, much darker, but the sugar works just as well, I find. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.